With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, if you're holding a cage containing a bird, do you have to make less efforts if the bird flies from its position in the cage and manages to stay in the middle without touching the walls of the cage? Does it make a difference whether the cage is completely closed or it has rods to let air pass? Okay, so in this question, we have a bird in a cage. We have a bird in a cage. Okay, and it is saying that if it manages to stay in the middle without touching the walls. Now it is saying without touching the walls, it can be possible only when bird is flying. Okay, so now when the bird is flying, it is pushing downward with its wings. It's pushing the air downward with its wings to maintain its position while flying. So when there are rods, in the cage, the pushed air will pass through the rods, and net force on the base of the cage will decreases. Why? Because some of the air will pass through the rods. So therefore, force when rods are there is less than the force in absence of rods. Okay? That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.